From a sudden factory fall accident and an instant stadium demolition to a live sawmill accident and a forklift smash accident, here are 10 live safety accidents caught on camera. In this sawmill factory, a worker is too close to the lodge breaker, and then suddenly her loose clothing got caught up in the moving parts, dragging her into an unfortunate event. Was this an accident, or was it an intentional factory experiment? An excavator spins out of control, turning dangerously fast, but the driver was brave enough to try and stop it even though he failed. In this fabric design factory, this worker carried out a routine task and suddenly got too close again and got caught in the machine's motions. Always use protective guard railings in situations like this. Watch how this driver maneuvers this crane fall accident. The crane operator has some lessons to learn from this smart driver. A forklift is lowering a heavy load when a mechanical failure occurs. Never work too close to a suspended load. Unloading and loading heavy loads is a serious business, as suddenly the tiles fell on a worker. Never stand too close to heavy loads to prevent disaster. Inside a factory, a worker was high above the ground on a rounded pipe, and suddenly this happens due to a step. Always work with guard railings and pay attention on site. Don't you just love the way this stadium was properly demolished in this video? Drop your comments in the comment section. But seriously, you have to wonder about the mentality of these guys. Watch what happens here. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And always remember, Grandpa's got you covered. See you in the next one.